A very good evening and warm welcome all of you. Yes, I'm fine. How are you? Okay, that's great. Now I'm just sharing one small video about the determiner. And in that also determiners, if I talk about, is a part of that it is. Fine. Now students, you have heard about the word determiners. It is this part of your syllabus. Before I start with the determiners part, I just want to share one thought with you. It's your determination and persistence that will make you a successful person. Means if you are determined, you're focused, you have decided that I have to do that work, and also continuously you're working with that. You're practicing hard for this. You're putting your all the best efforts in that. You're putting your all sweat and blood in that soul. So there is nobody there who can stop your success. So you are going to be a successful person. So with this thought only, I just want to tell you people, keep on trying, learning and learning, practicing and practicing. Don't leave. Many times it happens you face challenges, but don't get disheartened. Obviously, after dark night, every dark night, what comes? The new day. So here also you may feel some challenge, but if you'll be persistent in doing your work, revising your things, writing again and again, so definitely you are going to achieve your target. So I'm just taking here little bit determinants only. Rest I've seen. So I'm taking a small part over here about the determiners, and that as also possessive determiner I'm talking about here. So guys, you can see here this possessive determiners. Yes, I hope. So what is a possessive determiner actually? A possessive determiner is a determiner. Basically, it is a pronoun. Okay, it's a pronoun which is used to express possession or belongingness. How come possession? Suppose I'm having remote in my hand, right? This is my remote. I'm holding, I'm the owner of this. So the same way I'm having one diary in my hand. So this is my diary, not yours. Fine this way. My hand, your hat, your mobile. Fine that is. It helps the reader know who or what owns the noun that it determines. Determines it shows. So possessive determinants include pronouns such as my, your, our, his, her, their, and its. Fine. Now we can, through examples, you can see this thing. Feroz forgot his badge at home. Okay. Lee said that her parents would be home by 6 in the morning. My dog was acting strangely when I was leaving to work. We all we have all informed our parents. You can see here our parents. These all are italicized word actually. So our parents they are. So you may see this thing. Same way her sister, if you can see here, her sister, and the dog kept wagging its tail. I hope now you are understanding more easily. Fine, for your see, our friends. So just see all those words, these all are showing our ownness, belongingness. It's mileage. I hope you all are understanding it. Fine. Your dad. So these are what? These are possessive determiners. His friends. Fine. I hope I'm clear. Right. So now let us see over there. The possessive determinants, they sometimes are also called possessive adjectives as well. And they are listed also, and pronouns you can say. What is a pronoun? The firstly they will say noun. Noun are the words, naming words. Any remote, pen, your name, my name, anyone's name. It is, can be feeling also, happiness, sadness, sorrowness. This can be also there, right? Now, and pronouns are the words which takes the place of noun or they replaces noun. So here you can say here how possessive determinants relate to personal pronouns. I am the personal pronoun. So it goes to my, you, your, he, his, she, her, we, are, they, their. I hope now you have understood. Okay, small for you, one small, now I hope you're all able to see this exercise. A small brain teaser it is. Now basically we have to complete the dialogue over here. So, hi, dash name is Claire. This is a picture of my son. So, what will come? My name is Claire. Then, what is your name? His name is John. He is 10 years old. I have two daughters. Their names are Louise and Jenny. How old are they? Fine. Lucy is 8 years old and her little sister Jenny is 5. They are beautiful children. So I hope you can have understood. See, students, one thing you have to focus if you want to earn good marks. Main thing is that you have to practice this hard. And whatever the PPT you are able to see, those all sentences you speak loudly in front of a mirror. It will be, echoed also. The moment you'll be reading, you'll be able to hear from your ears, and then we'll be able to understand the whole concept. And then there will be no difficulty for you to work out. And then practice, practice, practice hard, be persistent and keep on going. So form of possessive determinants, basically what is that? We have to use possessive determiner before a noun only. Okay. What we have to tell, you want to talk about the family or something you own. So possessive determiner, if I talk about noun, it is there, and I have given you the example. My, then noun is family. There are 6 people in my family. My family. It's just before the noun. This mine, my is just before the noun that you can see. Your relation. She is in your relation. Fine. His parents. They are his parents. Her car. That is her car. So see, all these determinants are showing ownership. So that's why they are known as possessive determinants. Fine. So now let's have a little exercise for your brain, right? Shreya invited Dash friends over for a sleepover. Yes, her friends. We got our results yesterday evening. Obviously, we'll be getting our only, not of others. There is no way he's going to finish Dash project in India. Who's his project in time? Sean said that his mother was a science teacher. I got my test results today. The monkey grabbed his baby as soon as tourists gathered in the area. Claire, Morgan, and Lynn have finished their homework. You should help your parents. Dr. Rohan takes good care of all his patients. Noreen made her parents proud. So you can very well understand. You can see the answers also. Thank you. And yes, be persistent, keep going to achieve your target. Well, today, or if I talk about for now, that's it. We'll see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to read all the sentences aloud in front of mirror. Yes, try to talk with others also. Try to solve them yourself before you watch the answers. Keep practicing, keep doing. All the best. Very good. Good night. Take care. Bye. See you.